A wave of online harassment is erupted against journalist Anansia Lovo after she posed a pointing question to VP Constantino Chiwenga during the 21st movement function in Bulawayo last Friday. Zanapinda mashoko akuda panapa questions aiwa journalist anozikamwa anonzi Lovo panapa otargetiwa nema-online bullies pamusoro aiwa pe-equestion yakanga iri very critical yakabvunza general kunyange zvavo vasina kuzoipindura vakaseka noripa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina panapa munongomudaniwa muchizi the online group identifying themselves as Varakashi has launched a coordinated campaign of abuse, trolling and intimidating against the law in a development that raises concerns over press freedom and the safety of journalists in Zimbabwe. Extending President Edin Nakava's rule until 2030 seemed to ignite the backlash on the sidelines of the event. She briefly asked Chiwenga for his thoughts on the growing calls for Mnangagwa to remain in power, a query that was met with a diplomatic response from the vice president. However, the fallout online was swift and brutal. Screenshots of the attacks circulating on social media reveal a barrage of derogatory comments and threats aimed at the law. The Varakashi group, known for aggressively defending the ruling party and its leadership, is targeted with accusations of being anti-government and promoting a hostile agenda. The media advocacy group and human rights organizations have condemned the harassment, calling for immediate action to safeguard the law and ensure a freedom to perform a journalistic duties without fear. This kind of threats and intimidation of journalists doing their duties must be strongly condemned. Faceless thugs, stay away from our media, guys. Safety and security of journalists under threat, said media center Mashingo in a tweet. Ndio mashoko muda panapa vanhu vachikola up kuti aiwa vakomana majournalists they must be protected just because they are doing their work. The regime haidi kufumurwa, that's why aiwa iri kuchikepcha ichibata vakomana ava. Tudze mafundo muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi mune comment section yedu. Subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon.